Hey guys, welcome to Sandland Sleep's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to use our sleep set. First, we'll talk about what it's for, then when to take it, and what to expect. The sleep set is a combination of our fall asleep and stay asleep products. It's for folks who have issues with both falling asleep at the beginning of the night and staying asleep throughout the night. First, let's talk about fall asleep. It's a sublingual, which means that it works by dissolving under your tongue. You should take it as you get into bed, or about 30 minutes before you want to fall asleep. Unlike a regular pill, this form is the fastest way to get ingredients to start working, which is key when you're trying to fall asleep at the beginning of the night. Pro tip, you're welcome to bite down on that tab so it dissolves faster if you want. Next, Stay Asleep is a time-release tablet, which means that it works by slowly being digested by your system throughout the night. It will kick in after an hour or so and last up to 6 hours. Take 1 to 2 pills an hour before bed. If you're just starting out, we recommend 1 pill of each, and no more than 2 of each per night. Let's talk about how ingredients work. As fall asleep dissolves, you'll notice that the peppermint gives off a light aromatherapy effect and refreshing feeling. That should be soothing and calming, and help put you at ease so you can move into the next phase. Our main ingredient is CBN. Its role is to calm you down and get you sleepy so you can fall asleep. But it also works to make sure that you stay asleep throughout the whole night. It does this by linking with your internal endocannabinoid system and provides that magical feeling of being able to sleep peacefully. Because you're taking both products, the ingredients will intersect and combine a bit, but they work as a system, and you should not have to worry about getting double the effect at any given time. They should basically hand off responsibility like a baton. Think of it as a slow motion sleep baton handoff in your system between the two of them.